Welcome to this video, and in this video we will be learning about JavaScript, and this video will be focusing on small basic things of JavaScript. So firstly we will describe what is JavaScript. JavaScript is makes website interactive, and it is part of web tech, so it is really important. And now we know that JavaScript is a language which is handled or run inside the browser. You can't run it or you can't execute it outside the browser, and obviously it will controls logic and behavior. Second thing, for JavaScript we need some tools or code editor, and we know VS Code is really famous code editor, and it is quite simple to use it. And as I said, JavaScript is a browser based language, so we need a browser. We will be using Chrome. And before starting this video, you guys should be like little bit familiar to HTML. If you are not, then no need to worry, it is quite simple. I will give you some boilerplate codes through which you can easily get HTML codes. Now, in these are some simple shortcut keys you should remember. Now we will come to now uh, VS Code, and I have already prepared things so that we can keep this video smaller in length of time. So let's move to uh, first.js file on JavaScript thing. Here you have to make a folder on your desktop by JavaScript. As I have wait I have to keep it a little smaller. Yeah, now you can see I have made a folder JavaScript here, you can see, and it is on my desktop as well. Inside this you have to press this one. See, you are getting a new blank space. Here you can write first.js. See, but I have already made it first.js, so I can't renew or can't recreate any document or file of first.js. So yeah, let me delete it, and let's for now just I will random put it random.js. Okay, see, you will get like this, and you have to write your code over there. So I have already made first.js, in which you can see, let me make it smaller. Yeah, you will see console.log. Welcome Abhishek. Console.log, you are pursuing BTech in computer science. So I have to like told you how to make folder, how to open that folder on VS Code, how to make new files on that folder of JavaScript on VS Code, how to make uh, create console.log on VS Code. Console.log is like printf of language C, as we used to do in language C, printf to print something. Here console.log is that thing which will print out whatever data or information we are putting as a string or whatever thing it is. So yeah, and we have to save this file. Okay, now as I said, JavaScript is a browser based language, so we need something which will connect our VS Code to the uh, browser. So here sorry, here comes HTML. As I said, you should be familiar with HTML. Sorry, you should be familiar with HTML. So you have to make a file as first.js. I have already told you how to create first.js. As same, we have to create index.html. So let's come again here. For example, where is random.js? we will go to random.js. Here we have to simply press shift plus, sorry, what's happening. Okay, so when you will let's go to index.html simply. Where is index.html? Here. Okay, so I have already made that thing. When you will press shift plus exclamation mark, then you will get boilerplate codes. What is boilerplate code? I have written somewhere, I will explain you later. For now, just remember boilerplate codes. Okay, so let's go to random.js. Okay, and when we do it, okay, check it. Let's go over here. So yeah, when you will press shift plus exclamation mark, or then you will get this thing, simple HTML code. What is this telling us? This is simply telling us about document type, and this is HTML language English. This is showing that the language used here is English. This is the head tag, and we are containing metadata here, like charset, name, and etc. Head close. This is the closing tag. Now it's body tag, and here comes the main thing. You have to be focused. You have to really like focused on this thing. This is the game changing thing in JavaScript. So you have to make script tag. You will get script like let me show you. You will get script, you will get like this. Okay, inside script you have to do this thing. You have to write source src is equal to, and you have to give this bracket, and under this you have to write the file name. For now I will like delete this. Yeah, for now I am like telling you things about first.js. So I will write first.js. Okay, and let's save it again, although I have saved it already. Now don't save. Okay, index.html. Let's come to first.js. Okay, let me put it. Yeah, okay, we are now at first.js, and here we have to press this C. Okay, and let me make it a little smaller so that you can see the whole thing. You will get things like this. Okay, you have to, if you have Windows laptop, you have to double click, and if you have Macs, you have to use two finger to click your mouse. You will get this thing, and now you have to go to inspect, and here you have to print console. See, you got it. Welcome Abhishek, you are pursuing BTech in CSE. This two line you have to, can you see my arrow? See, my cursor is here. You are pursuing BTech in computer science. This was the second line, and this is the first line. Welcome Abhishek. So we finally executed our first code. We learned how to like create HTML file in JavaScript, how to like initiate things, how, what is the role of console.log, what is the importance of HTML, and let me put it inside, sorry, here. And now the thing which I was telling you, HTML JavaScript browser connection. So JavaScript thing is not directly connected to browser. So HTML is the thing which connects JavaScript to browser. See, HTML have direct connections with browser. HTML have direct connection with browser, and HTML have direct connection with JavaScript. So HTML is the thing which connects both JavaScript and browser. So it is intermediator or whatever you can say according to your convenience. And I have told you that let's go to what you have to do in script. You have to write a source is equal to, and you have to put the file name. It's, for example, I have so many files here. So if we go to object and we'll try to run this, see, it will still give welcome Abhishek and you are pursuing BTech in computer science. Why? Because like we have written we have written first.js file here, so it will obviously just run first.js, not the object.js. So it is really important. Just this is the like most basic thing of JavaScript. Now you know console.log is printing things over on browser, and we have got the output. Okay, I am like, if we have to click inspect, I have shown you like after mm, where's Chrome, yeah, okay, no, wait. Okay, I have shown you that you have to double click your mouse, and then sorry, you will get inspect, and then inside that you will get element inspect and all the things. You have to press console over there, and you will get your result or output, final output. Okay, we have got this successfully, got our code running on browser. So yeah, it's really good thing that we are done with the basics of JavaScript. And yeah, we will meet in next video. Thank you.